Good day everyone. Learn how to fix laptop touchpad not working in Windows 11. So we will be doing some very easy, very effective, and for most of us, we will fix the touchpad not working issue. So we will be using the mouse. In external mouse, you can use the USB mouse or the wireless mouse to do these steps. It is important. Now, the very first thing here is to press the Window key and I key together on your keyboard. Window and I. Or you can do a right click with the help of your mouse and then go to settings. Then we will go to Bluetooth and devices. And we will scroll down. We will look for touchpad and settings. And here we have this touchpad. Click here and make sure leave touchpad on mouse is connected. Right, you can try that. If it's already turned on, turn off, reset, then turn on. Okay, you can try that and see if your touchpad is working fine or not. If not, we will move to the next step. So to fix the touchpad not working, especially in laptop or Windows 10 or Windows 11, there could be a driver problem with the touchpad. So to fix that, we need to do a right click in the start icon again and then go to device manager. And many of us are not able to find the touchpad driver there. I'll show you where exactly it is. So here we need to look for human interface devices. So once you will find human interface devices, you will also find touchpad right there. HID, touchpad, device like that. Or if you do not see the touchpad, then look for I2C HID device. I2C HID device, do a right click and click on update driver. So this I2C HID device is actually your touchpad driver. So just try to update that. If that doesn't work, try to do disable and enable. Like just do a right click, click on disable. And once you disable it, it will take some time. And it will also ask you to restart. So you need to restart and then come back here and enable this device again. And that will also require the restart. Okay, so you can disable and enable, and for most of us this will fix the problem. All right, do let me know in the comment section whether you are able to fix this problem with these methods or not. If yes, please hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Have a wonderful day.